February the 11th. We're going to come out. We're on our way. We're in Northwest Georgia. We're going to check out the flooding situation over here at Coahulla Creek. Of course, you've seen how bad it was in Gatlinburg. That was pretty bad. I go there quite a bit, but I've never seen it like that. So we're going to go down and check it out. As you can see, it's right up to the banks. Sorry, I had to let a car pass. Anyway, here it is. Unbelievable trash in there. I wish people quit littering. Look how pretty this is green over here. All this rain we've had. Actually, it's not as high as I thought it was going to be. Alright, so I haven't posted in a while. I've just been kind of busy and just a lot of things, and this is really high right here. You know how life is. Priorities. YouTube is just a hobby. It's nothing I, get any royalties or anything off of YouTube. I'm just, don't even let me subscribers. I mean, if you want to subscribe, that's great. Oh, that's pretty flooded right there. We've had a break in the rain. Thank goodness, because it was it's getting kind of crazy right here and right there on both sides of water, and I'm just afraid that's going to sink in one of these days. I just hope nobody's on top of it. My sister lives down in here. I got a little building I'm going to check out and see if the water's up to the back of it. I call it the snake building too. I've seen a black snake into this past summer. I threw mothballs in there. They say that black snake's going to keep everything else out, all the bad snakes out. So I got some stuff out there today and I didn't see him. Well, spring's just around the corner. It's went down. I'm assuming it's went down, but if it starts raining back, it's pretty high right in here. If it starts raining back like it's supposed to, then it'll be getting. I don't want to show anybody's houses down through here because it's private. Anyway, just thought I'd bring you for a ride today. Check out my building. Let's see. Alright, down there's my building behind my sister's house. I think everything's alright. Alrighty. Well, we'll see you guys later. Have a blessed day.